HTML, CSS, and JavaScript at a high level could land you a role. But now in 2023, there's that laundry list of things. Okay, what's up guys? SoSoDev here, back with a new video. It's been a while, but I was having a conversation with a friend of mine recently, and I actually had an entirely different video to discuss, but I really want to talk about getting into the software industry in 2023. And I think it's a big deal that we need to talk about this. I had a revelation, and that's simply that the longer you wait to learn the code and try to break into the industry, the higher the bar gets as time passes. In early 2010s, you could get a programming job if you knew HTML, CSS, and JavaScript at a high level. But now I think you need to know object-oriented programming, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React Native, Node.js, Python libraries, like many different other technologies just to even get a callback. Like if you just know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript now, you're not even gonna get a callback. That's not even bare minimum anymore. I'm editing this video and it sounds really negative, but honestly guys, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is just not enough in 2023. If you're gonna start, if you wanna commit to this, start today, start right now. Because if you wait 6 months from now, the bar will be even higher than it is right now.